Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I just wanted to let you all know that the tape is back in stock. So P3 tape is in stock in the black and in the white, and my Maker Basics double-sided 3/8 inch and the 1/4 inch back in stock. Listen, guys, this tape is amazing. I am not going to tell you how amazing it is. I'm hoping that everyone who's purchased it multiple times leaves me a comment in here and tells you guys how amazing it is. It is fantastic. It is stronger than any of the tapes out there on the market now. You get more in your roll of tape, and it is at an excellent every single day low price. All right. If you haven't tried my tape yet, it's called Maker Basics tape in the 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch. And I will be having it in the 1/8 inch. I just haven't received it yet. You can pick it up and try one roll if you want to. All right, one roll, and I promise you will love it. Then I have my P3 tape. It's a fabric-based tape, not to be confused with masking tape, please. All right, it is a fabric-based tape, and it is fantastic. It is what I've been using. Let me get a used roll here. It is what I've been using to make my projects as of late. So do not confuse this with gaffer tape or masking tape. It is as thin as Tyvek. It's got the adhesive on it, a super duper sticky adhesive on it, and it is fantastic for all of your three-dimensional projects, for all of your paper crafting projects. You are going to love it. So give it a chance, also at an everyday low price on my website, paperphenomenon.com. If you guys have purchased any of these items from my store, I would love for you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the tape. And it also helps let everyone know that it is worth the money. All right, so it is in stock. You guys have been asking me. It has sold out multiple times, so that should tell you something. All right. Hopefully you'll give it a chance. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.